guys, welcome back. So I've got a great new add-on called Tubi TV. Guys, this is a great add-on. However, the downside is it hasn't got any new content. The advantages with this add-on, it works very fast and it gives you great quality old content. So let's get to it, guys. I'm gonna open this add-on up. So as we see, we've got featured, search, most popular, comedy, horror, action, and it goes right down, guys. We've got martial arts, you've got stand-up comedy, foreign favorites, classics, crime. There's tons of content, guys, and remember, it's not new content. So let's go into documentaries. So guys, you see it works quite fast and it's quite efficient. So let's pick something. Let's try this, a survey of open space. Just waiting for it to load. So as we see, guys, it works, it opens up, it gives you subtitles, it works quite fast. I'm just gonna stop it there. We're gonna go back out. Let's go into romance. So guys, it's a great add-on for old movies and old content, and it's quick and fast. So you see, guys, this is the type of content that's available on this add-on. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments down below. So look at this content, guys. It's old, but it's good content. Let's go back out from that. Let's try the black cinema. Guys, so if you like a lot of Black American movies, this is a great add-on. So it's got tons of content here. As you see, it works flawlessly again. So let's try this first one and see how it goes. So as you see, guys, it's one click play, doesn't scrape any sources, it just starts up and it works quite flawlessly. So I'm gonna stop it there. So guys, this add-on is good, so you guys can actually try out the other folders and get it actually working. So let's get down to installing it. Let's go back out. You're gonna go to settings, file manager, you're gonna add source. I'm just gonna show you the source already. So under add source, you're going to click on none and you're going to enter this URL. So guys, I will leave this in the description down below, and you're going to give this URL a name as well. Right, so once you've done that, you're going to click OK. You're going to go back out. You're going to go into add-ons in the main menu. You're going to click on the box at the top left corner. You're going to install from zip file. You're going to click on the zip file you created. You're going to click on repo.bg plugins, and you're going to wait for the pop-up to appear on the top right hand side corner. As we see, it appears up here, and once that's done, you can click on install from repository. You're going to look for the BG add-ons. You'll click on that. You'll go down to video add-ons and you'll select Tubi TV, guys. So you'll click on that, and where mine says uninstall, yours will say install. Click on it, wait for the installation, which is rapidly fast, and then click on open. And there we have it, guys. So as you see, it opens up very fast, it works very well. So it's got some great content, guys. So as we see, guys, it does work quite well. One more thing, guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you check out my other video, which is, let's go back to the main menu, how to stop buffering on Kodi, and it's called the TT buffer fix. Guys, check out the other video. I will leave it at the top of the screen here. As you see, it pops up. Click on the link, it'll take you to the video, watch it, and it'll give you a great buffer free Kodi experience. So guys, I hope this content is good. Hope my tutorial was well worth it. So hit that subscribe tab, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.